Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things that's good and great. You know, see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow it. See, so as from the caption, from the thumbnail, I'm skitty. We talk about we not talk about our mouth for a chicken body or nothing like that. Upside it down chicken body or top lip alone. We don't talk about that. Still, we are talking about how she a part of the conversation as well. You know, see, she are one of the reasons for the conversation, but how black women in general, because she is a perfect example of how black women in general misinterpret this feminism agenda. See, she are just a microcosm of the whole issue at hand. You know, see, in our society, Black Jamaica, I don't know about America as such, I've never experienced it, you know, see, but based from certain hint, it's coming like the same when it come on to our women in the black community. You know, them have a high, them maintain a high level of authority. And you know me I say, yeah, no questions given, especially for the elders and things like that. Their opinions are greatly valued and thing like, and their presence as well. You know, see it. Where me come from, particularly me come from England, come to one of the strangest things, like even the people themselves, when them get to certain age, old people get to certain age, them just know say, yeah, them old age home, them are gone, them get detached, removed from the rest of the world, everything and everybody else, so them know new thing. Seeing the parents and the children, them everybody's an acceptable part of the society. Seeing in Jamaica, basically it wasn't so. Seeing people used to like argue who granny come live with and things like that, who the elder come live with, because just for the, at least, make we say just for the knowledge where the elder have to impart on this generation, when we say the temper, the attitude towards anything are gonna be more robust, be seen based on the facts well, and the granny was there for help grow them children. Yeah. See? So our female them always exist under a strong authority. You know, them always maintain, them always have a certain level of authority, seen, on par with men. Seen. So when the rest of the world, European and American and the white world in particular, start thrive for equality amongst themselves and them man, our black woman in particular in Jamaica already have that already. You see? And these white women who were subdued knew it. Seen? So they went out and they interjected the influence or the involvement of black women, claiming that black women are somewhat the same. Seen? Which is, in a lot of cases, it is, because a white man run the world. So the same servitude a white woman's gonna exist under by for them white man. A white black woman always gonna exist under that to a degree, especially out there in the workplace, because again, it's a white mentality, Eurocentric mentality, where them undervalue the woman is running the system. See? So she bring back home that attitude, this attitude for change, this demand for change and things like that, where should be better concentrated in the workplace and out there in the public, probably in society as well, than at home with our man. Because again, the same white people, white concentrated society, whereby which we exist, is the one who diminish the worth and create race and class and things like that. So the diminished worth of the black man does exist, which now coming as a factor, make it appear as if it's factor into the woman's oppression, as if it is what's maintaining it, but the black man is being blamed of such as if he's the one who orchestrated the system and is maintaining it. See? So the education where our black female them get from the white oppressed female them is that men entirely are the one responsible for them being undervalued. You understand? They don't concentrate. It's a gender thing. You understand? The white women don't focus their energy and concentration on the white gentlemen them who are running things, who make the rules. You understand me? Our black woman them come take that now and put that same pressure and demand upon our black men who are themselves being oppressed by the same people who oppress them. You see? See, black men are being deprived of more than even our black women, because when a black woman can walk past and just bounce a smile and go through, the black man can't do that. You understand what I say? Smile all you want, you get searched and dragged to the ground and dehumanized as much as possible. We see it exist in America today, more prominently than anywhere else. You see, probably because you have the media and the exposure and things like that. You see. So it's unfair and ridiculous for our women them clear them get all woke and lit and I demand equality for them gender, yet still not observing other people's oppression and what might. It's unfair and spoiled and childish and a bit. It's for the privilege to have the mentality that black woman must be the mother of the race and observe and try with them best for change what's actually affecting the race. You understand what I say? When you overlook the plight of the man and add blame and pressure to him, diminishing his worth and things like that, you find it create characters like Miss Kitty. See? And Miss Kitty come now with the authority of the diminished masculinity, seen and speak down to everybody, including her own gender, as if she's like she's the archangel and the white horse when vesture dipped in blood. You see, this is the level of disdain in that woman there, this tasteful, ugly mouth. You see, there is nobody in Jamaica who is an anti-vaxxer. Everybody in Jamaica got most of their vaccine before they were of the age of consent, Rasta. Everybody in Jamaica. See, and the parents them usually instill it in a way. Take the vaccine when them a get. See, in school have vaccine that they all your uniform wash and press and all them things because you have to look presentable for the nurse. What I'm telling you, Miss Kitty, go with your pocket change where you get. You sell out, dirty woman. Go and go eat your food. All of a sudden you jump up on this bandwagon and go on with yourself. Just after minister and everybody. As a radio presenter with resource to research at your fingertip. What making a research some of the claim them with the Prime Minister. Particularly the vaccine came from God. And Tufton claiming the vaccine was tried, tested and proven on animal and all sort of trial already, so it's safe for human consumption. While the rest of the world have to sign a waiver, waving away their rights to any form of compensation or punitive claims whatsoever. You know, see, how come to explore them things and educate the people upon these things, so the thing is just in a trial phase? How can you condemn people to be concerned about making themselves into a test dummy? Isn't that the fact, Miss Kitty? How much money you get as a woman? God know who him give pick me. You know, see? Because some people is just selfish and all up in themselves. Them not prepared for make the necessary sacrifice what it take for bring another human being into this world, a moral, fortified human being into this world. Yeah. You see, people like them, they are people who will sell them teenage child to other man for money if them did get none. You see it, because that should have sell out the whole country as a public figure, somebody who is closer connected to foundation people, grassroots people who are expressing and showing any level of concern regarding this medicine. Yeah, she's closely connected and related to these people and even the politicians who are making the rules and the policies. You understand what I say? Yet still, her representation of the people, of the people's claim, is far-fetched and ridiculous that she take it on an international scale now and keckle up Jamaican people in a one barrel of fish as anti-vaxxers. People who have had most of their vaccination all their life and took it willingly. Seen, show concern for one vaccine that was hastily developed without trial or proving or test or anything like that. Seen, it's not even 2 years old yet, and usually most vaccines take 2 years before it starts show or before people can actually mark down or pinpoint any form of ramifications of such. You understand? That's a well-established claim. See, the FCDC and the CDC in America took its own time before them sanctioned the drug for people. You understand? Yes, because it was on trial. It's a trial factor. I'm not sure if them even sanction it yet. I give the okay if say yes, it is. And even so, it would be a record because nowhere it has passed the time where they would have said it mature enough, information is matured enough to see, how comes a woman in our society not use these things as a reason for saying, you know what, let me stay up on the fence and observe what go on. People have a right, even if you take it already, people have a right for show concern. You are learned 99% of Jamaica never have the access to the resource where you have. See, how come you get the access there with your fake body? When you look good, you look like a caricature from one of them this Disney thing there, the Ant-Man them or something like that. You see? Yet you feel like you with your what happened to the fake silicone in your body? You know you want, so because you don't know why you it and them thing that you prepare for put it in your body. Even after when you see it do to other people where it get hard and them body tough like stone and can't move again. See? You feel like say everybody prepare for make them sacrifice with them life just for 15 minutes in the limelight because that's what it's all about, you know. Seeing the desires them what people are taking from people for not taking these things is like cosmetics to a degree. You see it, even though it's a definitely vast human rights violation, big human rights violation for deprive the people of certain basic humanity because them choose to sit on the fence and watch something mature to a degree where them can say, well, yeah, scientifically it has been, you see it. You come now with this big claim about people are anti-vax and Obia man where people are taking all of them things that people are taking. All the two of them, all them correlate. Most of the things them Obama use are like local weeds and bush and things like that with them. Warrior man don't want to kill nobody. Most of the things them warrior man don't ever read. Them just boil up them little thing and whatever and do what them do and people gone again about them business. You see it? I want to tell you there is no, warrior man apart from the Rastafari is one of the greatest practitioners of herbalism in Jamaica. You don't know where you come from with this need. Seeing to connect the Obia man with the medicine man. You know, see, the argument them way you attack, you definitely sound like somebody will get paid for come out and further brainwash the people them. You know, see, people like no come with no facts what you can use for educate the people them. You know, see, want to come with some disrespectful argument to diminish the people them ability to think for themselves as if the people them not in a sense. Everything where the people them think are concerned, every concern of the people them is false. You see, you're willing to put your neck on the block. What happened if the 2 years pass and things should have been different? Whisper you would have exist. Oh, you would have, my skin crawl when I think about a big, ugly, dirty woman like you come on national media talk down to Jamaican people or poor people with concern, poor people who have no reason for trust Babylon. See? It burn me, it hurt me when people like you can jump up and just flip off your mouth to Jamaican people are idiot and them not no sense. In a lot of cases, Jamaican people deserve it, because them allow you to make you come do it again tomorrow. Talk down to them and talk to them like say them nah no worth or like say well then where them a think. In some society, ooh, another ugly woman, man, you think you're in a position for discriminate or discredit nobody, Rasta. You see it? You have a fake body. You yourself have a problem with your own existence. You have a talk to people, so. Where the logics there in your argument? The people them argument, if the anti-vaxxers them have more logics than you. Because you not come with none yet. Not that I'm saying there isn't any. What me couldn't look at the people and say, all the ingredients of the vaccine were already tried and tested in other medicines. And we take out samples, this and that, bit by bit out a different vaccine and put them together and make one something for challenge this thing here. None of them think about an argument like that for come because it's not so. If this was so, this would have been the narrative. Now, if it's not so, people don't have reason to be apprehensive about something that has not been tested before, has not been tried on human beings before. And there is a rumor that whenever in the past, the tests that were done on the animal them end up deceased. How come somebody not challenge these concerns of the people them with facts? All they do is sit one side and say the people them are idiot, them are anti-vaxxer, them are this, them are obia woman. Miss Kitty, are you work the most obia? You need to go work some obia. Get a man and some children, get a life. You see it, you just a bumble around the society like a single bumblebees, a single queen bees, when no herd nah follow. When no, me I say, no herd, no swarm nah follow you. So every minute you just come up in the air and make this loud buzz for people see you, seeking attention. You see it? Rather than come up there and or go out in the crowd and find out, get the people's concern in a patwa and come back. Come ask these questions to the government. Or come back, come answer the question them to the people them. Oh, no answer none of the question them when the people them ask. I don't know, come up there and style the people them as obia man, as type, where type people pick me and all them thing there. You need to go tie somebody pick me. Probably you need to go do that so that you can, you know, see it. Okay, now you could hear that argument and they are diminished people concerned like say poor people as uno. When I say jump, poor people for ask how high appear you get kitty. Kitty you plant. You know see, cause me not see even the relevance of your existence in a radio. I mix up your God with. You know see everything where you do. See? Diminish the moral fabric of the society. All of your argument, there must some little dirty kind of ghetto girl argument you come put in some style and talk it like so well then you have development or some little oar catching and then man catching argument there. You come talk. You know see, you fi stay in a cascas and mix up over there. So you know see, you gonna make so the government desperate that them come find you. You know see it, a little trivial mix up woman. If you come push for them agenda, so you come use your trivial dirty mix up, get a kind of words them, and I come style, get a people for force them for take the thing, peer pressure the people them. Miss Kitty, nobody not rate you that much where you can peer pressure nobody for go do nothing. Nobody not rate you that much. You's a clown. You's a freaking cartoon. Entertainer see you as such, everybody see you as such. You know see it? You's a damn cartoon. You's a clown. You's a jester in the palace. Nobody no take you serious, Rasta. You know see it? And no, nobody make it rather worse. Nobody no take you serious. You know see it? Go away with your ambition-driven self, your personal gains, your selfish, nasty character. You know see, you're bright like a bulb. You can't hide again. Everybody see and know your motives. You know see, how dare you come and talk down to ghetto people like so well then? What? The air where you fart, I get people breathe back and to live. Eh? You're not a manners, man. You're a distasteful woman. That's why you're not no man. No disrespect to the single ladies them out there where claims to them have a choice or want work them thing for them way, however. You know see? You know see? You need some manners. No man, this not acceptable, Rasta. I know me you know. When me hear the argument then with a woman come and talk, all because she claims that she under this feminist approach. Oh,